Supreme camera that works. It came boys. It flipping came. Jim got it. Bro, for what it is, let me just say, that's pretty swag. Dude, that is so swag. Like, what the heck? Come on. Come on. It does recording. It records. Dude, it has a flash on it. It is the craziest thing ever. Like, look. There's Jim right there. Dude. I know, Jim, it's a stupid little novelty thing, but like, come on, bro. For what that is, that's pretty fire. Let's see. Dude, it's right here. It's right here. And a crazy quality. Dude, that came off of it. That came off it. That's, I mean, I like the graininess. Like, that's fire. That looks so fire. It's such a fire photo. Then you just take it off, dude. Fucking cream. That's a camera. That's the film. Okay, I get it now. And then here's to play the movie. Nelly. Oh. Here, you want to see them? And you can review them. Oh no, wait, my wiener picture. I'm kidding. Got you, chat. Supreme camera that works.